this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I am going to test the Piggy High Tide Piggy Paste. So I am thinking, so today I went to Michael's and I found this 99 cents a piece. It's something to hang. So I was thinking it'll be cool if we could create tiny little ocean theme here. So this is another shape. It's a hexagon, this is a square, and I am going to try to create a tiny little wave over there using the Piggy High Tide. So I have mixed up my resin. This is MAS, and the colors that I have picked, this is Blue Eye from Piggy. This one is Lagoon. Of course you need that for the ocean. And this one is also another one, must have Mermaid. And probably I will add tiny dash of maybe Sapphire. I'm adding tiny dash of, ooh, so the color of Sapphire is so rich. So I added tiny dash of Sapphire into the Mermaid. I don't need too much. I just mixed 2 ounces of resin, 2 ounces of each, like hardening thing, and the other, you know, we mix 2 chemicals for the resin to be activated. So I used 2 ounces of each. So Blue Eye, this one is Lagoon, and honestly I don't think I need more than this. So this is Lagoon, beautiful, beautiful color. This one is Mermaid, and I put a tiny dash of Sapphire. So I feel like the hardest part of this project is going to be keeping it neat and clean. I don't want anything to be touching on the sides. So what I am thinking, I'm going to use the syringe to apply my resin. So let me do that. I'm filling up my syringe with the pigment mix. After I used my syringe to pick up paint, then I'm wiping the sides so I don't have any mess. Okay, so I have this 3 syringe with 3 different colors. I'm going to use them to apply my resin. And as you can see, I have tilted my piece a tiny bit on that side, so everything will go towards that direction, because I have this tile which is kind of supporting on this side. So you know what? I think I'm going to remove this support. I'm using a wooden spatula to spread the paint. Resin everywhere. as much as I can. Probably we need a tiny bit more. Okay, so let's pop the bubbles. So now I'm going to take this tight paste, and which is also mixed with resin. See, this is what I did not want to happen, but it happened. Anyway, I have to scrape it off. I'm really enjoying this tight paste because I see how opaque they are, and once I use my heat gun, it's going to look really realistic and beautiful. Only thing I think might be a problem, which is I'm assuming my heat gun doesn't have a long thin nozzle, which might hinder my blowing, and therefore I might not get the nice result. I don't know. Let's see what I get. Now I'm going to wait for 15 minutes, then I'll come back and blow. I don't know how I forgot to turn on my camera when I was using my heat gun to spread the tight paste. So here's the dried result. This is the square one, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the product that I used, high tide paste from Piggy, I would say the quality is very good because you can see, let me zoom in. The white colors are very opaque. It's very opaque, and I'm loving it. I have to say my workmanship is really bad because first of all, this is my first try. I'm gonna go for another try tomorrow. This is such a cute idea for party favors or something like that. If you're doing something ocean themed, you can create these party favors, which would be really cool. Next morning, let me give you a closer up look. See the size where I have bare wood. The line between the resin and the bare wood did not go well, so I'm doing it one more time today. I have to redeem myself. So today I decided to put a clear coat of resin on the bottom, and on top of that I'm going to layer the other resin colors. So I have mixed up all my resin and layering them one at a time. And then I'm thinking, I should have probably put the clear resin on the other side only, because you will see later on I will be struggling here and there. I figured it out how to fix it, but I should not have to worry about that. Like you would be able to see the clear wood here and there because of the clear resin underneath the blue resins. So anyway, you live and learn, right? So you guys can learn from my mistakes. See on the corner, you can still see the clear part. So other than that, it looks really pretty. Now with the stick, I'm trying to mix the blue resin and the clear resin on the sides, because as I said that I probably should not have put the clear resin on the blue side, only the sand side should do it. So again, I have to mix those areas well. So that's what I'm trying to do now. As I'm looking at the two pieces, I am really enjoying how the dyed paste is creating these fine little cells on top of the blue colors. But I probably would like to see a tiny bit more white. So that's what I'm going to fix now. I like the fact that now I am getting more prominent laces, white laces, which is really pretty. So, and here I need to mention that at this point I'm probably 15 minutes after the resin. I first poured the resin on the pieces, so it's about 15 minutes after. So here are the end results, and I hope you like them. And until next time, bye.